everyone, if you have been here before, welcome back. If you are new, this is my channel, Lipstick on More. My name is Jyoti. I have been doing a series on my channel here for Estee Lauder makeup that my husband got for me. A whole bunch of stuff, so I'm making a whole bunch of videos showing you guys all of the makeup. And in this video, we're gonna look at this beautiful kit. This bag is, oh, it's gorgeous. I still haven't taken off this thing. How do you take this off? Oh gee. This bag is stunning. It's this glittery clutch, but the inside is even more beautiful with this leather. I'm not sure if it's real leather, but it has this leather look to it. It's just beautiful. I really like the red leather. And it has a couple of things in here. Has a palette here. There's a bunch of eyeshadows and a blush. And there is a mascara in this kit. There's a lip plumper, a lipstick, lip gloss, eyeliner. I am going to be putting all of this stuff on my face so you can see it in action. Let's get started. Starting off with the mascara because I'm actually already wearing the mascara. I finished shooting another video and that kit also had this mascara. Let me give you a closer look of the mascara. Here it is. If you want to see it in action, you can check out my 33 Beauty Essentials Estee Lauder kit video. I will have it linked up above. But the mascara is very light. It's not going to give you any dramatic lashes, so I would say it's a good one for everyday use. But when it comes to comparing high-end to drugstore, I would say it's not anything better than a drugstore mascara. There's nothing special about it, but if you really like the packaging of the mascara and you want to have that experience of beautiful packaging, then it might be worth it. But again, it's not going to give you dramatic lashes, just a good everyday simple lashes, like nothing special. I am curious to try out the lip plumper. Here's a lip plumper. It looks like a lipstick, but it opens up like a lip gloss. It's very interesting packaging. Smells kind of minty. It's very refreshing, minty feeling. It does not bend at all. Wow, it's very stiff. Okay, so I have a minty feeling on my lips. Thankfully, there's no glitter in it. And we'll see how the minty tingly feeling progresses as I do the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna take a light shade. There's a light shade right here. And put that in. Well, actually I'm going to do a slightly darker shade and put it on the brow bone. Let me bring you a little bit closer. Just giving me a shimmery effect on my brow bone because it really matches my skin really good. So let's go in with a darker color and see how that works out. Oh my god, this mirror is so dirty, I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. It's a little patchy. Certain brushes work better with certain eyeshadows. Let's see how that works out. Yeah, this is better. I'm gonna try to blend it in with a lighter shade. How many of you guys hum when you're like doing monotonous stuff like this? The palettes in the other kit, the 33 Essentials kit, those were a little bit easier to work with. This one's taking a little bit of time. Just to create a little bit more, a deeper line, like a darker, deeper line here. Wow, this is beautiful. It doesn't match the other color. Like these two colors do not go together at all. Okay. All right. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna change it at this point. Then I'm just gonna kind of blend this in a little bit to make where the two shadows connect. I just wanna blend that a little bit, blend this a little bit in. All right, I'm gonna try to create a look on the other eye with this side. I love you, you love me, we're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Woo! My only problem with this matte shade is that if you are a beginner, you're not gonna realize that maybe you can get a different brush to make this work a little bit better. You know, I feel like products should be very user-friendly. Like, you should just apply it easily and not have to worry about, okay, I need a more compact brush or I need a more fluffy brush. No one should have to think about that. Like, makeup should be easy, quick, so that you can make up your face and go do other things. Here's that golden shade. Okay. I think the pink can still go with this. It's just this shade is very different. Oh, and it doesn't seem like it actually, it didn't cover. Oh, I do feel like these shades are a little bit harder to like layer like on top of each other. I'll take the golden one, bring it here a little bit more. It's actually pretty good for a 6-shade palette. Like, I've already created 2 looks, and the third look could be just this pink one and this one. Beginner friendly in the sense that it's subtle, nothing too crazy, you know, it's not like you can overdo it and come out looking like, wow, that's too much makeup. That's not something that you'll be able to achieve with this. So in that sense, it's good for a beginner. But when it comes to using different types of brushes to figure out, okay, I want to create this look right here on this part of my eye, but I'm gonna have to use a different brush, that's a little bit not so beginner user friendly. Number 01 Kohl Noor is the shade, and it has like a sharpener in the back and a little shading thing in case you want to create some sort of shading look, like a smudging thing. I do appreciate when liners come with a sharpener. Let's try it in the waterline. Some eyeliners, when you apply them in the waterline, either they're too gel-like and too creamy, or they're kind of too hard that it hurts your eyes, but this one's somewhere in between. It's not hurting my eyes, but it is making my eyes just a little bit watery, but it's not like super bad. But it does look really like good, whereas I don't think it will smudge off or anything. I really like it. Like, sometimes pencil liners like these, when you try to, they're good for your waterline, but when you try to apply them on your eyelid, they just get super smudgy. But this is really good. I really like this. Okay, there you go. It was, and I could apply it with one hand. Really nice. Oops. Sorry. I messed up. Oh no. The eye is done. As you can tell, I really like the eyeliner. So the lip plumper, it's not a crazy plumper. It literally just had a little bit of refreshing minty taste. I wouldn't really call it a lip plumper. I would just call it like a lip gloss with a slight tingle on your lips. It's nice. It's not goopy. It's not sticky. It's not gonna be something that feels like it's gonna come off easily. It's actually a good lip gloss. I'm really curious to do a wear test on this. Is the lipstick. This detail right here, which matches the detail on the palette. Sorry. The palette does have a cheek in there too. So, well, this is the shade Rebellious Rose. Let's see how rebellious it is. Ooh, I like it. Nice shade. And it's a good formula too. And it doesn't smell strong or funky. And I mean, definitely this cap feels cheap. It's a regular plastic cap, so, but and my fingers are definitely leaving a lot of prints on the packaging. Must have really oily fingers, I don't know. Really like this packaging. It's really pretty. This brush applicator. It's really pretty. It does feel a little goopy when you purse your lips, but it's not sticky. Now, I do have lip glosses from their other kit, and the red one did start to separate and it came off very easily. Now, I'm not sure. I feel like this is the same line, the Pure Color Envy line. So it's possible that the same might happen with this lip gloss. But I feel like because the red is a deeper, bolder color, the separation is more visible, whereas this one is more of a nude shade, so we might not see that separation. But it is pretty looking on the lips. So let's go back into this palette and try out the blush. All right, pretty easy. Easy peasy. I like it. My $1 A of A powder. I think it works just fine. I think it's good. So the kit is valued at $212, but it is $39.50 with any purchase. It is limited edition. I would say the bag itself is probably, at least if you were to just buy that clutch on its own, it would probably cost you anywhere between $15 to $20. It is a nice bag, so I would think it would range around $20. And then Estee Lauder lipsticks are expensive, so I mean they could be anywhere from $20 to $30. The lip gloss packaging is also really beautiful, and I did experience separation in the other shade that I had, but you might not experience that with this particular shade. The lip plumper actually seems like a good tingly lip gloss, and it's super cute in this pink packaging that actually looks like a lipstick. I really like this packaging. The eyeshadows are good for a beginner because you cannot go too dramatic with them no matter how hard you try. Blush in the kit is really nice. The eyeliner was my favorite. I really love it, and I do see myself using the eyeliner on a regular basis. I hope you found this video useful. This is it for this glittery clutch kit. I will leave the link down below so that if you are interested, you can just click on the link and purchase it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button so that I know. And if you want to see me again, click that subscribe button and that bell notification too, so you get a notification every time I upload. Thank you so much. Bye.